Life never stops. It is constantly in motion. The same could be said of business, your business. And for it to be successful, it needs to move in one direction, forward. The RG Group provides leadership in the design and delivery of innovative motion control products and solutions. For over 50 years, we've kept businesses moving in the right direction by maintaining a commitment to a very simple core concept. We keep business in motion. Our business model provides a local presence in our key geographical markets. The Hose, Valve, and Fitting Parker Stores network offers local walk-in customers prompt, efficient, professional in-store services while you wait. Every location is committed to providing real-time knowledgeable and technical support in a friendly and comfortable shopping environment. Our local mini branches offer an extensive inventory of fluid power system replacement parts and solutions. It's not just any inventory, it's the right inventory. And we pride ourselves on having what you want when you want it. Our local customer base rely on our knowledgeable store managers to provide custom-made hydraulic and pneumatic hose assemblies and complementary products to keep their businesses moving. Our hose, valve, and fitting store managers are factory-trained experts who can speak your language. We don't just replace a hose. Our goal is to isolate and eliminate future problems. To meet today's hyper pace of business, our stores offer 24/7 emergency services. Innovation is creative collaboration between technical expertise, engineering, and a very true sense of what is possible. Crafting that possibility into a product, your product, is what our people do best. It's our personal commitment to create true partnerships with customers that creates a competitive advantage. Relationships, like trust, are not just built on infrastructure or technology. They are built on a foundation of belief and shared core values. These core values are the very heart of our business. The RG Group. Our business is about your business, and we keep your business in motion.